Children of Numberth, is there anything I can do to help in this time of brotherly love?
Well, sure thing. I don't know my halves, my thirds, my quarters, nor the fifths. Can you help?
1/2, 1/2. What do I do?
To find 1/2, divide by 2.
1/3, 1/3. What about 3?
To find 1/3, divide by 3.
1/4, 1/4. Tell me more.
To find 1/4, divide by 4.
1/5, 1/5. Do you still divide?
Yes, that's right. Divide by 5.
1/2, 1/2. What do I do?